My name is Melissa DiDonato, and I'm the CEO of SUSE, the world's largest independent open source company. I'm going to talk to you today about consumers. Today, consumers are getting more and more demanding. The experience that retailers need to offer across omni-channels needs to be consistent. This is going to be a talk about how technology can help you reach your consumers in the best and most effective way possible across every channel in the market. Retailers are facing stark competition from e-commerce giants and a sharp drop in many have invested in new, scalable online stores and big data analytics. Robust, edge-based technology such as RFID tags, smart warehousing, and even logistics with digital signage and wireless payment terminals are also high in demand. Unsurprisingly, a growing number of retailers are investing in digital workplace solutions to give home working employees the same secure, reliable access to the apps and to the customer insights just like they had as in-store workers. Retailers must drive rapid digital transformation to build differentiating omni-channel customer experiences. Many are concerned by the inflexibility of legacy IT infrastructure solutions. These companies also share many common goals. For example, to serve consumers, drive efficiencies, and open up new revenue-generating opportunities. Furthermore, each will face a similar challenge. The challenge to securely manage an end-to-end infrastructure whilst grappling with budget, legacy IT, and even integration constraints. We are also seeing that DevOps teams want to run high-performance data processing workloads in what we know to be distributed locations like point-of-sale units and self-service kiosks, but don't want to abandon any of their cloud-native capabilities. Retailers need to retire legacy systems as part of this digital transformation. They have to think about new store concepts that provide customers with convenience and exceptional experiences. They need to introduce the latest point-of-sale hardware, such as terminals, self-service checkouts, kiosks, or even digital signage, and that will get them to transform their store concepts, and to provide exceptional customer experiences. For years, the retail industry has focused on reducing cost and increasing operational efficiency. By now, with the power of choice back in the hands of consumers, retailers must be willing to speed up the innovation and improve their customers' experience. Here at SUSE, we believe that transformation can be enhanced and furthermore accelerated by open innovation. The most successful businesses are those that can capitalize on interoperable solutions, allowing them to harness modernization, no matter where it occurs. For retailers, in other words, it will be those that can unlock technological potential in which to create their store of the future. Retailers need to select the best-of-breed technology by supporting agile, secure, and optimized infrastructure. Retailers can deliver on the promise of an end-to-end digital transformation. That's why key sector players look to SUSE for comprehensive and open-source solutions. To achieve this level of modernization, retailers need to consolidate IT operations. They need to rethink their strategies. How can they do this? SUSE is here to help. SUSE's hybrid cloud solutions accelerate innovation and enable our retail customers to respond to market demands faster. We support the widest range of architectures, virtualization, container runtime, storage, and also network options. With SUSE Rancher, our Kubernetes management platform, we unify all of your modern application management to ensure consistent operations, workload management, and enterprise-grade security, from the core to the cloud and even to the edge. SUSE Linux Enterprise for SAP applications is the premier Linux platform for SAP HANA SAP NetWeaver, and SAP S/4HANA solutions specifically for retail. We reduce the risk of service outages and enable users to deploy SAP services faster on-prem or even in any cloud. SUSE is the leader in intelligent edge computing, computing solutions that are based on lightweight Kubernetes and Linux, and storage products for x86 or ARM hardware. We deliver consistency, performance, reliability, security, all of which are vital for retail edge use cases. Forward-thinking retailers embrace a more innovative way to build, deliver, and manage applications across the entire enterprise. They understand that it is the only way to create the customer experience that they need in which to compete. Open source is at the very heart of everything we do here at SUSE, from innovation to partnerships to customer solutions. It drives our co-innovation with our customers and how we provide our customers with the most sophisticated solutions. Our open and interoperable approach allows us to support many of the world's largest brands and the world's largest businesses, including those in the retail sector, all of which rely on SUSE to power their most mission-critical workloads through secure cloud-native applications, including workloads across a hybrid cloud infrastructure. We help retailers around the world to build IT operations that they need to adapt to a diverging customer expectation set and an ongoing supply chain challenge. We also offer personalized services, which allow retailers to innovate for the retail storefront of the future. At the heart of our strategy is our leadership in the most important technologies that power digital transformation: business-critical Linux, enterprise container management, and edge. But when it comes to running all of your workloads, one-size Linux OS, it just does not fit all. That's why we offer the industry's most adaptable Linux operating system. No matter what your workload requirements are, we have an operating system solution that's purpose-built for your needs. Many of our retail customers have come to rely on SUSE Manager for Retail, which is a next-generation open-source infrastructure management solution. It delivers the best-in-class open-source infrastructure management, optimized and tailored specifically for your retail industry. From mainframe to HPC clusters, bare metal servers, and even VMs, down to the point-of-service terminals, kiosks, self-service management, reverse vending systems, Linux deployments, SUSE Manager for Retail is designed specifically to reduce costs, optimize operations, and ensure compliance across IT infrastructure whilst reducing complexity and boosting efficiency. The same holds true for our enterprise container management expertise. SUSE offers the industry's only container management platform that provides a full management of all Kubernetes distributions. Whether you're managing one cluster or 1 million clusters, SUSE Rancher provides a simple, consistent management experience regardless of the Kubernetes distribution, wherever it is in use, from SUSE or any other vendors, no matter where they're running, whether it's on-prem, in the cloud, or even on the edge. With our latest acquisition of NeuVector, we also provide a foundational layer of security and resilience across critical systems that overcome the increased risk of exposure that accompanies a digital transformation. For retailers, that means embedded security across applications end to end. SUSE also provides a framework for compliance with internal policies and even external regulations. Together, our industry-leading solutions give our customers the power to address today's business challenges, but most importantly, the flexibility to adapt their strategies to address tomorrow's challenges as they evolve. We work with some of the largest retail brands around the world, ranging from retailers to manufacturers. Our open, interoperable approach puts us in a very unique position to serve our customers' needs. Unlike our competitors who focus on locking customers in to a stack of proprietary software, our interoperable approach puts all of the control in our customers' hands. Our customers are able to choose the best technology to meet their needs. Through our solutions, retailers have been able to reimagine their entire approach to digital transformation, and we've seen the results. I'll give you some examples. Zero downtime, saving them millions each month, which from a business perspective is critical to efficiencies being realized through the digital transformation. And this powers these brands to create an omni-channel experience that they've envisioned for their customers. We've had increased stability and simplicity that together create time for innovation and for acceleration and the completion of that omni-channel experience. Secure frameworks to ensure retail businesses can easily manage and secure and strengthen their operating systems. And that ensures that they function within their security model, and more importantly, not having security be a roadblock. Many customers that utilize SLES for SAP applications and SAP S/4HANA have reported up to 100 times faster business intelligence reporting, cuts to month-end closing from days to even hours, and 100% availability for mission-critical SAP systems and real-time insights into business performance. The future of technology is brighter than ever. We're entering into a whole new era where the worlds of cloud and edge computing, it is going to begin to collide with generating numerous possibilities to make businesses more agile, more efficient. Whether that leads to a more efficient and secure supply chain or leveraging new purpose-built applications and devices, or even devices to create new and enhanced experiences, retailers remain at the forefront of the digital transformation. Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure to speak with you.